for me, the use of generative artificial intelligence or AI is to help students to gain more knowledge and to give ideas. Uh, and as a student, and I am also a student, um, for me, AI is helpful for me because it helps me to answer my assignments. It helps me to give me an ideas in a particular questions or subjects that. And also I am using AI such as ChatGPT to make an essay because sometimes I don't know how to start it, and I don't know how to make a essay with detailed essays. And but and also AI doesn't give you such a enough information because AI is just a computer, or I think computer. Then I am also using a AI chat GPT to answer a question in a recitation because sometimes it is random for me to be called in a recitation without knowing the background of the topic or that particular topic or by the teacher. Then sometimes I do answer my teacher's question through AI. And it helps a lot for me because sometimes I don't know what the answer is uh, if I have a lack of knowledge about the topic and about the question, maybe, I guess. So for me it helps a lot. But sometimes AI such as chat GPT can give you a false information about the particular topic. um, and for example is that I research something in chat GPT. Then the information that chat GPT gave to me is that um, uh, malayo yung malayo yung impormasyon ko doon sa sinearch ko. Then iba yung impormasyon ng chat GPT na binigay sa akin. Sometimes AI is giving you a false information.